Hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you guys how to get Shopify 14-day free trial. Now you must be thinking, why am I teaching you guys such a easy thing? Now I know you guys can do this by yourselves, but here's the catch. Do you know how to remove password from your store without selecting any plan, without paying for any plan in your 14-day trial? If don't, then this video is for you. Those who want to know how to remove password protection from your store and drive live traffic to your store within your 14-day free trial without wasting your days. So let's start. First of all, you need to come over to shopify.com, which is the official Shopify website. Here I'm using a dummy email because it's a dummy account for me. So basically you just need to put that email right here and you want to click on start free trial. Put a password for your store, very easy, and I'm gonna put the name for YouTube, and this is available. That's good. Now I'm gonna click on create your store. Now Shopify is asking me some questions and they just want to know something about you, so I'm just gonna fill these up really quick. So I've done the setup of my Shopify store, and this is what you're gonna see after you log in your Shopify store. And right now my 14-day free trial has started. Now I know this part all of you guys know, but now here comes the real deal. And now I'm gonna tell you how to activate your Shopify store to get live visitors on your store and get real conversions and earn real profit, real money, so that you can pay for your Shopify plan. Now let me just show you that my store is currently password protected. I'm gonna go to online store preferences, and here as you can see that my store is password protected, as you can see, and I cannot disable it. To disable your password page, you need to pick up plan. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are gonna simply click on pick up plan. Now guys, I know you must be thinking that if my 14-day free trial is running, then why am I going to pick up plan? Now here's the catch. You are going to pick up plan, but you are not going to pay any money for this plan until 14 days, until your free trial ends. You need to pick up plan to deactivate the password protection from your store, to get live traffic, to get sales and earn money. We are going to select any plan, so I selected the basic one, and you're going to just put your billing information, your credit card here. Now do not worry, because your money will not get deducted till 14 days. You just need to put your credit card in this. Now guys, after you enter your credit card, you just need to click on start plan and you will be billed $0. As you can see, you will not be billed anything right now. Now as you can see, you will be charged $29 plus tax on 15 September, because today is 1st September. So I'll be charged this particular amount after 14 days, that is 15 September, as I told you. So right now you are not paying anything. You are literally getting traffic on your store for free for 14 days. So after you put your credit card, just click on start plan, and as soon as you do it, you just need to go on online store and preferences, and after you go to preferences, you will see the option to disable the password. So basically you can click on this option and then you can remove the password from your store, and now you can drive live traffic to your store and start getting those cachings and earn money. And after you earn some money, you get some profit, then you can invest in Shopify. You can buy the plan, you can pay for the plan. Now why I shared this with you guys, because when I started using Shopify, I didn't knew that we can even remove password protection from our store. I thought that first we have to complete 14 days free trial, then we are going to pay for a plan, then we can remove the password protection. No, it's not like that. You can remove the password as soon as you start your Shopify store. You just need to put your billing information. You will not be charged anything, and you can now start getting live traffic on this store right now without wasting any time. So I hope you guys found this valuable and you really enjoyed the information shared in this video. And if you did, then do drop a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon. Also follow me on Instagram, and if you have any query, then drop message on Instagram, because I am replying everyone right now. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Go check the description, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, thank you.